smell the diesel exhaust. This is an empty potash train here at Dorval. 21st of August, 2022, under dubious skies, really. Just rained recently. This thing's really thundering through. So it's not going to be a long video. The time is about 4 o'clock p.m. Drizzling a little bit, but the heaviest part of the storm has already passed. It passed about half an hour ago, and the sky looks like it's not going to really open up or anything soon. So, good afternoon for train spotting, as long as you have some nearby shelter. Yeah, these potash trains can seem endless, actually. 200 cars plus. Loaded ones will have DPUs. Empty ones like this, not so much. And that's it. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And have a look at this weather. Look at those dark clouds.